Let's simplify this complex fraction step by step. We start with the expression, the fraction with numerator x over y minus y over x and denominator 1 over x squared minus 1 over y squared. The first step is to find a common denominator in the numerator. To do this, we multiply the first fraction by x over x and the second fraction by y over y. This gives us x squared over xy minus y squared over xy in the numerator. The denominator remains unchanged. Now, let's find a common denominator in the denominator. We multiply the first fraction by y squared over y squared and the second fraction by x squared over x squared. This simplifies to y squared over x squared, y squared minus x squared over x squared, y squared in the denominator. The numerator can be written as x squared minus y squared over xy, and the denominator becomes y squared minus x squared over x squared y squared. To divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. When we multiply these fractions, we get x squared minus y squared times x squared, y squared, over xy times y squared minus x squared. Notice that y squared minus x squared is the negative of x squared minus y squared. This means our denominator is the negative of what we have in the numerator. The x squared minus y squared terms cancel out, leaving us with negative xy in the numerator. Therefore, our final answer is negative xy. This complex fraction simplifies to a simple product of variables with a negative sign. Remember, when simplifying complex fractions, find common denominators, combine like terms, and look for opportunities to cancel common factors.